frames. HTML provides a feature to display more than one web pages on a single screen of the web browser. These web pages are actually displayed using frames. Frames are the different sections or parts of a web page.
The iframe tag of HTML allows you to embed another HTML document within your current web page. The iframe in HTML stands for inline frame. For example,
where URL is the address of a web page which you want to display in a frame. The iframe tag provides the following attributes. src, it is used to specify the URL of the web page which you want to display in the frame. Height, it is used to specify the height of the frame. Width, it is used to specify the width of the frame. Name, it is used to specify the name of the frame. This name can be used in the target attribute of the A tag. Let us create a web page using the iframe tag. In the preceding code, we have divided the browser window into two columns. In the left column, the home page of the ABC Public School website will open. When we click any hyperlink from the left column, the linked web page will appear in the right column. Ensure that all the hyperlinks should contain the target attribute with iframe2 as value. The float and position properties of CSS are used to display frames side by side. You can also hide the border of the frames by using the border property of CSS. You can change style of the border of frames by using the border style property of CSS.